We are Food Forest Abundance, a food forest design and installation company that specializes in the transformation of outdoor spaces into sustainable, productive, multifunctional edible landscapes that provide a variety of fresh food that includes perennial fruits, vegetables, nuts, herbs, and mushrooms. Unlike a traditional garden, a food forest is designed to be low maintenance and provide a continuous supply of food for years with minimal effort, while nature takes care of the rest. Our team of permaculture designers will take your vision and work with you to design and install a custom food forest that is both beautiful and functional, with other sustainable features, such as water catchment systems, swales, trellises, and chicken coops, that promote self-sufficiency and reduce environmental impact, while still being tailored to your needs and preferences. Your food forest design blueprint will increase your outdoor enjoyment, while also helping you provide your family with fresh, healthy, and locally grown food. Food Forest Abundance is passionate about creating resilient, regenerative landscapes that support biodiversity and promote healthy ecosystems. We believe that permaculture design can help individuals and communities become more self-sufficient and reduce their dependence on external resources. Our mission is to help people reconnect with nature and enjoy the benefits of growing their own food. If you're interested in learning more about Food Forest Abundance, we'd love to chat. Visit us at the website in the description below.